Yeah, we can go ahead to turn off our section analysis view. Uh, yeah, so next we are going to create the rules that's going to hold the locating ring in place. And so the middle will be okay. So uh, projects. So let's see the distance between these 2 points. So we get it the midpoint. That's 24.5. So we take a line, so that's 24.5 divided by 2. Okay. Oh, it didn't constrain it. Let's try that again. Make sure it's at this point. So 24.5 divided by 2. Oh, so you can leave that for now. So you can just create any set of any points. What we need is the points. Then we can mirror this to the other side. Yeah. So okay, finish sketch. So we just need it to be. We need the clamping place to hold it. So we don't need a really big screw, a really long screw. So I think the length of the clamping plate is 76 mm. So let's see if 3 mm can do the job. So we just need two screws. So we take it one after the other. We just need to be 3 mm. Let's see if it will permit us for 30 mm. Give it thread length 20 mm. Okay. Uh, let's go. And so I just the session view. So I think that's just right for us. So let's do it on the other side as well. Um, so the points, so 3 mm, uh, 30 mm, 30 mm, some thread length 20 mm. Okay, still did the same thing of not putting it in the right direction, but that's not a problem. So we just go ahead and edit it. Edit joints. I will flip and it will be -3. Also, as it's created over there. So what we do next is to do the usual thing. What's the body? So your screw already has a cut body. It's spacebar. So that the cut bodies. So this was we're actually cutting two bodies in this case. The locating ring and the top clamping plates. Spacebar again. Select the locating ring. Uh, okay, so now you can hide those cut body and hide those sketches. Yeah, so here we have it. Our our locating ring and our sprue is fitted. It's fitted already. So next we'll move over. We're going to move over to the cooling system. So we are going to complete the cooling line for this half of the mode. So let's start off with the cooling system of this half of the mode. So
Majority of the work will be on the cavity, on the insect cavity. So on this, let's hide our top stamping place. Then place A, let's hide that. Uh, let's turn on back our coding line. There's, uh, yeah, so the slide I need them very long to just to know the one that is the in and out. So this is the in and this is the out. And we will confirm that later on. But so this correct size will be used with pipe log. So you can hide the coding line back. So now to look for we'll go to pipe log to use this grid hood there. So we select the point one to create it. N12 to be good. This is to do it out. So that's our pipe log there. So let's uh, let's create the port body for the joint. So let's hide the first maybe distance. So the distance and the diameter. So this is mm, then the length, let's set the length from here. So here about 10 mm. So let's number 50. So you can hide the type now to create the port body. Uh, let's move over to create a sketch. Let's do a sketch. So just to get this okay, so let's do let's see. Let's make an application before stage. It's already total to minus 10.3. So we just need the vertical rank. So as supposed to be the mid. So I'm just using the body. So so with the body here. I'm looking for some browser. Mm, mm, let's extend the body. So this this is body component. And now we can for rectangular iron. If we think of how many particles we need, this one, three, four, we need six, and we need six of them. So we can just take it to any length. So we have our eight hot body. We need eight of them. And then this okay. Mm, then Then the previous year, so I did this way, so we don't keep repeating, we don't keep repeating creating our culture based on over again. So after I just did it in the startup, okay, let's, yeah, so we're leaving this thing, to this year, and just trying to get over, uh, yeah, after the last one, now we have a just make it, okay, so other type of person speak, so I think it's that is most of people unanticipated, but we don't want that at the end of the day to create a burden with it, or a compliment rather. And so that's it. I think we have this question. No, I think that's it for the matter. Okay, okay, so now okay, now we can go ahead and say what this is. So you can just go ahead and move ready. Okay, okay. We have really this may remain here. This is important. This is important for us. So go back on our calculate as we just repeat the rest of them. Just many into some these are the only factors are going to be needing for the mode. Uh, have to correct have to start correctly. So to correct okay. Mm, that's correct means that's not between numbers. Because if you are creating one way my think of doing it is just to create an array and use branch command to run a continuum. But for this previously that the add need to recognize that we created multiple components. It is just create as a single component. So this is the way this is the right way to do it. It's quite it's quite hard, especially by using the tool pattern. Uh, and it's clear that might be a bit slower, but as compared with speed of using an area and using and just repeating the command, and it's not that much different depending on the perspective. Okay, yeah, so that's done. I think it's created the some view for that coding on this area. Yeah, maybe so, um, is the inlet water goes this way, comes this way, uh, comes this way, the water is the inlet, goes this way, to this way, comes this way, and goes to go around here as well, and come out here. So that's how the three kind of routed. So I think the backlogs needed are completely to be fixed in this. Yeah. they are just like that, so they are done with that. So let's proceed further with creating the type connector. So from the method command. So, we have, I think the just proceed after receiving message components at the origin. So know that your you have it over here. Can format most of components. You actually moving the section of methodology. Very important. Okay. Okay. You to create the spot for the brain box. Okay. One click attempt for this is just okay. Let me this tool. I think this tool has okay. Then let's just table. Let's get a left left after new body. Okay, so we can add that let an outlet panel. So, so we just make sure we have to answer that data fixing the right way. So, yeah, this is the there's nothing to mix together. So it's not going to mix together with the first setting. So what I'm going to do is make some values, then I make it easy to maybe so that I can select it now. So let us get now of controlling safely. Then we will do it. So I don't need this one. So I think let's take it from this side and see what happens. Uh, okay, see, no, okay, see, it's also it's very important. Let's really see. Oh, it's coming out. So I just took it this one. I just delete this one first. Let us go through just you know how it and then if this is open and then put it with this and we can go how this is this where you can gain this as this yeah. Mm, that's what I'm looking for. Good in for the second one. In this to our student channel diameter, it's exactly 8 mm. Same as the hole for the top connector. So we want to really cut out the hot body to fill that hole. So we can just create a little type Okay, there is a time that connected to the internet, the internet, and for them, it is to go deep, like, yeah, this, yeah, was the right way, I supposed to go seriously, not, yeah, so, not to, I can just like, uh, yeah, that was the message. Then, podcast of this, this is unique to, okay, okay, so now we are going to create a building point or a people so that they can pass the socket near to I think this block. So you can create it just to get the part that this is not I think thank you let's create it in this side and that I think that's not yeah you can create okay to get a pocket a good pocket here to get to do okay thank okay okay this next step so one thing is I'm trying to explore this as a new body because I want to just put it out and I don't want I don't want I don't want to go through the process of hiding everything there then reading only the place so that we can so I'm just going to take it as big as long as possible. Then new body okay then we turn on we locate our place and turn into a place. Just it here. Don't need to be applicated in this case. So, so there we have our pickup log panel. So you can put in there. Later on, or if you are done with your mode design, you take your time to indicate the inlet and the outlet. So, we are leaving that for now. So next is, so we have already for the inlet. So next is, the what happens in both sides. So what we need to do is to prevent that cold coolant from going this way to other places. So I'm going to use the bearing to prevent the inlet and the outlet water flow from moving when here. So that's the component that is using plug. No, it's already size one. Use the top size one. Okay, okay, then I go down. Already component being empty. Uh, I'm not because I think the system minority is on minority okay, that you can do it and maybe can level level maybe yes so we can So you can you'll be needing the test consistency for put it here and then phone number card. So you can install it. Before join, this is the back side. That's the side is going to enter from. This is the other side. This is the side I need to put inward. So we're actually going to make installation from right here. Document from but need to put it right here. So I need to put file. So you can join it here. Then just pick it up first. Not first, not first. Not first. Not first. So this one is just so now you don't have liquid flowing for this liquid from the now so it's like a user that component. Now so we are all done the cooling system, the injection system and every other thing is ready and on the injection side for the first part of the mode. So one thing I'm going to do is I'm going to extract the selection test for the company or the to say um, from here all the way to frequency, all the way to yeah, searching for everything is selected. The top and to place everything selected. Let's say that we have something selected. Or control to place that wasn't selected. Hit search or hold on control. Yeah, so also the component selected. Like click selecting text inside. So now let's go and hide it and see if everything is going to disappear. And we are still on the right thing. So hide. So everything disappeared. Or even when disappeared. Let's go back. Let's let's put it up. And let it in there. So we hide it. So when we repeat the command, everything in the unit one. So hide. You don't really need to touch it. So, one thing we can do is we can create a rigid group web for the body, but I don't think that is necessary for now. So we're done with the injection side of the component of the mode. So next step is moving over to the injection side. So we have our location unit and every other thing stored on the mode. Yeah, so we can go ahead to hide this whole stuff. To hide, now we can turn on the, let's just hide the 3D body. So our design workspace on the crowded to hide. Very nice something. So someone service B, unit safety, support place, location, to export place, now create bottom to. Yeah, so that's all we need. Uh, so checking it for what 2 pillars. created and just created. There's also our gate, living so that in beauty before. So we'll now move ahead with the first thing I'm going to do is to, as we did for the other part, we're going to replace the go and go things that people do, carry things that and activities. So let's go and look for that sketch. I'm so surprised to have to sketch it. I hardly designed this way anyway. I hardly designed this sketches. I was surprised that up to this point we just have five sketches. Anyway, so let's I hide the bottom page, and the fourth page. uh, So first we need to see that process. So if a project, remember the last time we created it, we had the drafting was in this point before, but interfering with the storyline. So we have to change it to pattern. So it's of them. So we continue this up. Uh, let's go to our rules again. Yeah, so we need to six of them actually. We forgot, let's go to statistics. We forgot to add the middle. If of project. Yeah, we forgot this part, middle. Okay. Okay, now let's go back. So let's compare test with this side. And we select a point, view, yeah, okay. Okay, it's aligned with this thing. So it's aligned with this thing. So I was trying to get this for this. So it's always in here select. Okay, okay, okay. Came out before to learn 35 mm, doing 40 length in the 5 mm. I'll wait for it to do its thing. So now, look at it upside down. So what to do the same job of flipping it the other way around. And then, so certainly, yeah, correct, it to the big point. No, I've noticed. Yeah, so this is the first one. Flip, uh, minus 10. So that's the best properly. Uh, do the same for the with minus 10. For the third one, the third one, we need different with minus 10, then again with the 10, uh, different with minus 10, the plus 1, and with minus 10. So I got that ready. Uh, let's make a cut out and do something with it before accepting the polling timing. If any of these roads, including the school roads, is interfering with the polling timing. So let me stop. We can put this arrangement to like. Then I don't think we have a section to of the polling line of this road. So then we let not down. Okay, the five. Okay, 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 okay. Yeah, and I think we said, and I think we are safe. Yeah, yeah, absolutely safe. Yeah, so we're not interfering with any of the polling timing. We can leave this other side. We can do the same work of setting the school body. We check for the, as we did before, we check with the gritty insect cavity and the main cavity place. Yeah, so as done. Next, we're going to import, we're going to switch in our things. There is exactly the same thing for both modes. Both modes, uh, the cavity depth and picture. So everything, both sides, uh, almost exactly the same. How to translate them itself. One side has its two, is the investment side, the two and the investment side has its particular. And so we to emboss people are did on the back. And it, it's all right. It's all right. Mm, just then to perspective was actually M6 and AC corrected side. This other one, yeah, that's correct. And it's, this for the other side. It, it, mm, okay. Yes, maybe, and it, mm, mm, oh, I have found it. It, so our timeline is becoming crowded. The work, the computing time is becoming a little bit slower. The one way you can solve this problem, you export it, you export your file as a text file. So all the timeline basically disappears. So for this app, it doesn't, as, as long as the project is still active, the project, even if you stop and run the project is active or you will start seeing some, your project is still active. So I can, if I'm really designing something complex that the timeline will become so crowded that it's going to make my work very slow. I can simply accept that, accept files, and continue working on the project. But the disadvantage of that is, or if you made the mistake previously, you can't go back to correct it. Yeah, that's just the bad thing about that. That's just the disadvantage of that process. But it's a way you can use to avoid your being very slow. Also, we have our skills and our work together.
When our last episode, we created the screws for holding the cavity insert on the main cavity plate. So let's continue. We are going to create first of all, we are going to create the screws that will hold all the B part of the mold, all the plates from the B part of the mold. So let's turn on the visibility. We turn on support plates, injector plates, retainer plates, bottom plates. Uh, so let's break down of let's check the distance to see the minimum length of screw that we need. And so this is about 304 mm. So let's see if we have that screw.